It's joy, joy, joy in my heart since Jesus made everything right. I can't sing.
I just wanna dance to feel good.
Hello everybody, what's up, what's poppin'? I hope y'all are happy and healthy and doing okay in this craziness. Now in today's video, I just wanted to come on here and share my 2 cents because I can't even speak, I'm out of breath. Take two. Alright, yes, so I've been getting a whole lot of questions, about my situation here being in Japan and the coronavirus and we're all gonna die and all of that stuff. So I decided that I wanted to just tell y'all everything that's happening with me and Adam at this point. So yeah, Japan is going crazy, everyone is panic buying, it's a whole lot of chaosity going on around here. Alright, so stay tuned so we can chat. Alright, disclaimer. Now if you are a tiny bit distracted by this tape that you see on my glasses are falling apart, like the lens is actually falling from the frame, and you know who ain't gonna be going to any place to check the eyes at this point? Me. Alright, the virus can be contracted through your eyes because it's moist and things can drop in it or fly in it or blown in it or whatever. So I am not going to test my eyes and get a new frame right now. So I have to get all Jamaican and tape this bad boy up. So I'm sorry if it's going to be a little distracted for you. Alright, but that is not the focal point of this conversation. Everyone is panic buying in Japan at this point. I have been sharing on Facebook and Instagram as much as I can possibly with those who, follow me on my social media. And if you're not following me on my social media, my Instagram will be right here. Yeah, check me out over there to follow along. But basically, what's happening in Japan is that on Friday, so today is Tuesday when I'm filming this, Tuesday, March 3rd. And on Friday, February 28th, the government decided that he was advising all schools to close in light of the virus and to stop it from, spreading to further people, because in a particular prefecture, at least 50 persons have been confirmed positive for the virus. And so to prevent further spread, the Prime Minister instructed schools to close. But the thing with that is, even though the Prime Minister said all schools should be closed, it is dependent on each local government to decide whether or not their schools actually close, and also what time they close, and if teachers are required to go in on a particular day and stay home on a particular day, and so on. So in this country, the local government has a lot to say in how the country operates. I'm not sure. I know we have local government in Jamaica, but I'm not sure the length of which authority is given to them to, close down schools or what have you, based on what they think is right. Here, the Prime Minister gave instructions to close schools down, but the local governments in each prefectures are really the persons deciding whether or not, okay, they're going to shut their schools or they're going to keep open for a certain amount of time, or that particular thing. Luckily for me and Adam, we live in a prefecture where the BOE has decided to close schools for students and ALTs. We are not allowed to go to school, but I am assuming that the other teachers have to still go, but I don't think they'll have to be going for 3 weeks straight. I think they just have to go in some days to, prepare for the new school year. Because if you don't know, again, the new school year in Japan starts in April. Unlike most countries that we know, especially my country, Jamaica, our new school year starts in September. It is in April for Japan, and so it is really a close call between this break and then the new school year. So the teachers have to be preparing still nonetheless. So right now I am just at home chilling. Also, I did want to add in that some of my other ALT friends, they have to be going into work. Some of them for the entire 3 weeks before spring break. Some of them for this week, and then their BOE will make another decision at the end of the week to say whether or not they should continue into the next week. Some of them are actually going in today for the last day, and then they will be working from home. And luckily for us, our company has decided to pay us full salary for those who are working at home, those who are staying at home like me and Adam, and those who actually still have to go in. Our company is paying us 100%, but they are actually bound by law to pay employees. Well, not just my company, but all companies in Japan are bound by law to pay their employees at least 60% in the case of an emergency shutdown of work like this situation. So that is what's happening for schools at this point. And if I'm breathing heavy, the heater is not on because it makes noise sometimes, and I don't want it to be all up in the video. And inside this room is very cold, so I am trembling as usual. And actually we're preparing to move, and that's going to be another video. We're actually preparing to move from this prefecture, and I know it's crazy that we're going to have to move during this crazy virus season, but the thing is, we do not have a job in this prefecture anymore because our company would have already taken a survey from us from December to find out if we want to move from where we were, if we were staying where we were. And so me and Adam, we actually want to come out of the countryside, and so we told them that we actually want to move for the new school year, which is next month, April. So the company would have already told the BOE here that we won't be continuing, that they'll be getting new ALTs, and it's a whole mess. So unfortunately, we don't have a job here anymore, so we definitely have to move, and that is one thing that we'll have to be doing this month, even though the virus is basically all over the place. So yeah, let me just set you guys down or talk to you from my bed. All right. And what else? I mean, I do not have a script. I am just talking to you guys right off the top of my head. All right. So apart from the fact that everybody thinks that we're all going to die from the coronavirus, the people in Japan, the Japanese people, they're really panic buying these days. Like, the supermarkets are empty, that there are no tissues, there are no napkins, there are no sanitary napkins for females. Females, you absolutely know what sanitary napkins are. I won't be explaining that. There are no female products, so not even just the napkins, but all kinds of female feminine products are out. What else? There are no alcohol, there are no disinfectant, there are no sanitizers, there are no masks, most importantly. But lucky for me, I got a box of 50 masks at my school, so I guess that can hold me over until the government restocks masks in the stores. Yeah, so it has been actually a roller coaster for me and Adam to get tissues. We had to wake up very early and go to the drugstore. Like, we actually had to split up, so Adam had to go to a particular place, I had to go to a particular place before opening time. And when we actually went, the lines outside of these places were so long because people were lining up at the crack of dawn so that as these stores opened, they could rush in and grab tissues and everything that would be restocked from overnight. And now is the time that I'm truly trying to see, or I'm observing how not polite Japanese people are, because they will push you down. I mean, Japan is known for polite people and the kind and the this and the that. Trust me, they will push you down to get what they need. So that is basically what's been happening. Fortunately for us, we were at the front of the lines because we went there super early, so we managed to stock up on tissues and so on. So that hunt is over. We have a whole lot of stuff to hold us over if anything should worsen. But apart from that, guys, my 2 cents on this whole thing is that people are really panicking for no reason. I mean, you do have to take precautionary measures of course, to protect yourself and the persons around you. But at the same time, I am not convinced that it is as deadly as everyone is making it seem. I mean, there have been reported deaths, but they are really within the older age people and people who have been suffering from other, immune deficiencies and so on. For me, I have an iron deficiency. I am low on iron, so I have to be careful, of course. But I think this virus is really affecting very badly the persons who are older and persons who have other sicknesses that really can't combat. But I mean, as long as we stay healthy, take your vitamin C, take up your meds, drink water, stay away from people and crowds if you don't have to, wash your hands often, disinfect everything. Like, I have definitely become one of those persons who, disinfects every single thing I put my hands on. Like, we went to the supermarket, I bought goods, and things that would normally take me like half an hour to put away in the pantry took like an hour and a half, because I literally was going through all of them and just spraying them down with sanitizer, because I don't know who be touching them in the supermarkets and so on. So, is my mic on? Yes, it is. Yeah, so that's what I have been doing. Adam keeps laughing at me, but you know what? We ain't gonna catch no coronavirus inside here. Okay? Yeah, so basically that's what's been happening. I am not sure what else I should be telling you guys about this coronavirus in Japan. Schools are closed, we're at home, so we really don't have a need to go out. So I think we're relatively safe. For those who are asking, we're fine. And to this date, I think there's only one confirmed case in my prefecture, and it was one of those persons from the Diamond Princess cruise ship. So it's really not a domestic spread that why this person has contracted the virus, but because he was on that ship. And of course, it is an older person, so he or she may die. Thank you to all of those persons who have been checking up on us, for all of those persons who have been praying for us, for our safety. And, continue to keep us in your prayers. Continue to keep Japan in your prayers, China in your prayers, because cases in China keep rising. And you know what? The whole world, as a matter of fact, in your prayers, because I honestly believe that this virus will be everywhere in a matter of months. I don't think it's going away right now, and there is no cure just yet for it, so I can only imagine the damages that it will be doing very shortly. But yeah, Japan is going crazy. I mean, people won't stop buying and all of that. Masks are out of stock, but the government did say that 600 billion masks will be coming into store this March, so hopefully, the place will stock up more. And they did say there is no shortage of tissue and all of that. It's just that the supermarkets are being sold out, so those should be restocked very, very shortly. Do you guys hear the dog? That dog is always trying to sabotage my filming. But anyway, that is really what I wanted to tell you guys. And just that if coronavirus has not yet reached your country, just continue to stay safe. Continue to do what you can to build your immune system, so when it does appear in your country, you will be good to fight it. And if you're watching this and the virus has or is already in your country, please try as best as possible to remain safe. Take your vitamins, do everything possible, wash your hands to prevent, hazardous reactions to this craziness. So yes, guys, that is it. That's all I can think about that I need to tell you. If you have any questions, please comment them down below. And if you want to know more about what is happening here in Japan regarding the coronavirus, do follow me on Instagram, because I post the things over there, alright? Things that I won't necessarily come on camera to, be talking for 10 minutes about. I'm just going to Google the statistics of the coronavirus in Japan so you can actually get an understanding of what I mean when I say Japanese people are panicking for really no reason. Alright, so Japan coronavirus count. I'm actually checking on my phone to see the statistics as of March 3rd today, but the latest that I'm seeing is actually March 2nd. So as of this point, infected in Japan is 221 cases, and 11 of those are returnees from China, because as you know, the Japanese government did send out a few chartered flights to China to evacuate their people from the infected area in China. They did that, and that was so commendable, though. I wish other countries would have done that. I don't know if they did, but if they didn't, they should. And yeah, there are 77 confirmed cases. Now remember, confirmed doesn't mean that it is only that number, just the amount of people that have reported. So 77 in Hokkaido Prefecture, very far from me. Miyagi is where I live, and we have one confirmed case that I said already. Tochigi, one. Saitama, which is the prefecture that we are going to be moving to, has 4 confirmed cases so far. Chiba 14, Tokyo 39, and Aichi 32, Wakayama 13, and Kanagawa 31. Tokyo itself 39 cases. So majority of the virus positive testing is really coming from the bigger areas like Tokyo and surrounding areas around that. So that is what the cases are looking like now. As for deaths, I am not sure how many. The last time I heard 4 deaths. And yeah, I'm actually seeing like 221 cases, and then I'm seeing 18 in brackets, but it did not say whether or not the 18 are persons that have died or whatever. So I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. I'm not sure the number of deaths it is at March 2nd or even March 3rd, which is today. So yeah, the count is rising and people are panicking. But I mean, 221 cases, and this is separate from those who were tested positive on the Diamond Princess cruise ship, because that number was a whole lot. I think 700 and something. But I don't think we need to be panicking about those people on the ship, because that ship had about 3,700 persons. So to not have a good, decent amount of people that were infected on that ship would be ridiculous to believe. There would absolutely have to be a high number of virus cases coming off of that ship, especially because an infected person was on there. So yeah, domestic cases 221 as of yesterday, March 2nd. And I do think that it will keep rising, so we just have to do the precautionary measures and stay away from people. I would be lying if I didn't say I was a bit worried about us moving and having to travel to the new prefecture by train, because trains are the most contaminated, crowded places that you can be on if you're not out in the public. So I am worried, but trust me that we are preparing ourselves to equip ourselves as much as possible to not contract this virus as we move from this area. But as you can see, there's 1 in our prefecture, and I have no doubt that there'll be more, and so we just have to do what we have to do and stay protected as much as possible. So yeah guys, I will see you in my next video. Have a good day. Bye. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing? Like seriously, what are you doing? What are you waiting on? Who is invigilating you not to subscribe? Think about that for a moment. And while you're thinking, I'm waiting for you to hit that red button right below there. Hit it. And then you click the notification bell so that every time Natsnificent posts a new video, you are aware. Okay, honey? Bye now.
So back to what I was saying. Could be us.